everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this really classic black smoky eye for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the US, then comment done down below to be automatically entered. So jumping straight into the tutorial, the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and I use this as an eyeshadow primer, and it just cancels out any discoloration I have on my eyelid. And I always go in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out, and then I set it in place with some translucent powder. And the palette that I went in with today is the Dose of Colors Disney collaboration, and I absolutely love this palette because all of the colors just work so well together. So the first shade that I went in with is the shade Hello Girly, which is this really peachy light pink shade. And even though it's pink, it's still kind of muted, so you can throw it in your crease and it's not going to look too crazy. And I take it with a big fluffy brush, and I just made that my transition shade in the crease. And then I went in with the shade Glam Girl, which is this more corally orangey undertone shade, and I grabbed it with a defined angled brush, and I started to map out where I want to add depth in my crease, just going in back and forth motions. And then I went back into that first shade that we used, Hello Girly, the pinky shade, and I just grabbed a fluffy brush and I just went back and forth over that line, just really diffusing it and making sure that there are no harsh lines. And then I went into the shade Forever in Style, which is this matte black eyeshadow, and I started to really add more depth in the crease. This is probably the most important step for this look, because if your crease isn't blended enough, it's just not going to look right. So definitely take your time when you're working with black eyeshadow. I like to grab very small amounts at a time and then build it up. And then I went back into those previous shades, the orange shade and the pink shade, just to really blend everything out. And yeah. And because we're using a very pigmented black type of foiled shade, I wanted to use a cream base. So this one is the Dose of Colors Set the Tone in the shade Extra Baggage, which is this deep brown shade, and I just packed that all over my lid. And yeah, I found that this product was super creamy and super blendable, and I actually really liked it as a base because I feel like the pigment really stuck to it well. And for all over the lid, I went into the Dose of Colors Francation palette, and I went into this shade Game Over, I believe it's called. And it's a really pigmented black foiled eyeshadow, and it's honestly stunning. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes, and as you guys know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand. So definitely check us out in the description box below. We always leave a link to our website where you guys can check out our lashes. I'm wearing the style Barbados, which is one of our most dramatic styles, and I really like how this lash looks with a smoky black eyeshadow look. And then I went in with a black pencil in my waterline, and I pretty much grabbed the same shades that we used in our crease, and I put it on my lower lash line, just so that everything is nice and cohesive. So I just added the pink shade first, and then I went in with a defined angled brush and I went into the second shade that we used as well, which is the shade Glam Girl. And I just put that from inner corner to outer corner, just focusing it really close to the lash line. And then lastly, I just added some of that Forever in Style matte black eyeshadow super close to the lash line as well, just to tie everything together. And yeah, this look is honestly super dramatic. I personally wouldn't wear a look this dramatic unless I was like going to a nightclub or something, but I had so much fun creating it. And the last step that I did was I just grabbed some more of that first transition shade to make sure that the black eyeshadow was nice and blended. And then I added some lower lash mascara, and yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all of your support. We appreciate you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!